Tired of repetitive tasks eating up your valuable time? Today, we're diving deep into the world of automation, pitting two titans against each other, Zapier vs Uipath, to help you decide which one is the perfect fit for your business. First up, Zapier, the king of no-code automation. Think of it as a digital bridge connecting over 5,000 apps. Strength lies in its ease of use. The drag-and-drop interface lets you create automated workflows, called zaps, in minutes, without writing a single line of code, ideal for automating simple tasks like adding new leads to your CRM or posting updates to social media. Now, let's turn to Uipath, a powerful robotic process automation or RPA platform. Uipath shines when automating complex, repetitive tasks across multiple applications. It uses robots that mimic human actions to perform tasks like data extraction, invoice processing, and report generation. While it can handle much more complex workflows, it typically requires some programming knowledge. So, how do you choose? Zapier excels in ease of use and quick setup for smaller businesses with less complex needs, while Uipath offers greater scalability and the ability to automate sophisticated processes for larger enterprises. Regarding pricing, Zapier offers a free plan and scales up with usage. Uipath typically involves a higher upfront investment, but it can save you money in the long run by automating high-volume, labor-intensive processes. In conclusion, if you're looking for quick and easy automations between web apps, Zapier is your go-to. But if you need to automate more complex, repetitive tasks within your business, Uipath is the more robust solution. Which automation platform are you leaning towards? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech comparisons.